Here's exactly how I would invest $1,000 in 2026. This is no fluff, no hype, just what works. And no, I'm not gonna tell you about crypto or some get rich quick play. This is a real plan that actually builds wealth through the stock market. One, before I even invest, I would make sure I have an emergency fund of at least $2,000 already. If you don't, I would say that is the first move because you can't properly invest without one. Now, assuming that I have that cushion, here's what I would do with $1,000. First, I would open my brokerage account. The brokerage account is the account that links you as a consumer to the stock market. So you can open one with Wealthsimple, TD Direct Investing, Questrade, any of the platforms that are available to you here in Canada. Second, I would open a TFSA if I haven't already. It is a tax-free savings account. And a lot of people think that you can only save through it, but you can actually invest through this account. So it's a tax-free account, tax-free investing account, we could call it. And your investments grow without you owing the CRA a dime. Next, inside of that TFSA, I would start with one ETF. I know y'all don't like to hear this. I know y'all like to tussle, but you do not need 5 ETFs. You do not need 10 ETFs to start. You just need one. So my top pick for 2026 would be VFV, which tracks the S&P 500. So it's essentially a fund that has 500 of the largest companies in the US, including Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Netflix, Tesla, Costco. All of these different companies are inside of that fund. And if you own the fund, you own all of those companies. So this is a very simple, diversified way for you to get in the market without you having to pick any stocks. If you are outside of Canada or you're trading in US dollars, you could go with VOO. This is the same exact thing, but it's just the US version of that ETF. If you want an ETF that tracks the Canadian market, you can look into VCN or ZCN. These are great to get local exposure into the Canadian market. And if you're feeling a bit bolder, you want to take more risk than the 500 largest companies, you could just buy an ETF that tracks tech companies in the US, like QQQ or QQC. This is a bit riskier, but it has big growth potential. So now that you've picked one of these ETFs, you are almost done. All you have to do is automate $100 or whatever amount biweekly into it. So you have your $1,000 in your TFSA. Now you're gonna automate the purchase of the ETF. So you can do this on Wealthsimple or other platforms. And every 2 weeks, it will buy $100 worth of this ETF and it will continue to grow and grow and grow. This is called dollar cost averaging. I have an entire video about this strategy. So this is how regular people build wealth without trying to time the market. And when I say time the market, I mean like trying to buy something very low at a low price versus a high price. You can't do it. Just buy every 2 weeks when you get paid. So again, to recap that, every 2 weeks, $100 of the ETF that you love is going to be purchased. And yes, you could technically just invest the whole $1,000 at once, but I coach a lot of people, and knowing people and money psychology, it's easier for a lot of people to not put the whole $1,000 in and instead put $100 month over month or week over week. After that $1,000 is done, I would continue by automating $1,000 of my own money into the account. So you've got into the habit, you're investing regularly. Now we're gonna take your own money from your paycheck every single month and continue to buy that ETF. The truth is that the hardest part isn't picking the right investment, it's actually staying consistent. So you don't just wanna buy once and never do anything again. It's about consistently investing and staying in the market, not trying to chase the best thing or the newest thing. You're consistently investing in the same ETFs over and over and over. So if you have been sitting on a little bit of cash, waiting for the perfect time to start investing, this is your sign. Start now. Your future self will definitely thank you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. A quick recap. First, you're gonna open your investing account or your brokerage. Then you're gonna open your TFSA inside of your brokerage account. Then we are gonna fund it with our $1,000. And then we are going to buy our ETF and we are gonna automate the purchase. That is it. It's that simple. If you want to know what other ETFs that I would recommend, let me know. I can teach you how to build your portfolio past this first one initial ETF and build your portfolio of multiple ETFs. I also have monthly investing lessons in my accountability group, Don't Go Broke Collective. And in this group, I can literally hold your hand along this investing journey. If you are somebody who has watched lots of videos, you know basically how to invest, but you're still scared, this could be a great group for you, so you can be joined by me and lots of other people who are trying to get good with their money. So if you'd like to join, the link is in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me know what ETF you decided to buy and let me know in the comment section below. Bye everyone.